Hello, this is Celine here, coming to you with a video about this Luvme hair that I ordered. It is, get a little further back from the camera here. It is 3 bundles of 18-inch body curl. Luvme Hair is also a wig company, so they do have really beautiful wigs. And I decided to try this company because I had heard some good things. I also have an ex-classmate who has some Luvme wigs, and she had one on one day, and I really liked the one that she was wearing, and she told me this is where she got it from, was Luvme Hair, and she asked me had I tried it. I said no. So I decided to take a leap of faith after hunting down on the internet several companies to try to find a better grade of hair. You know, I have been previously purchasing from Amazon Hair, and Amazon itself is not a hair company, but you know, off the Amazon website. And every time I've always gotten something here lately that hasn't been really good. You know, when I first started buying off Amazon, they had really decent hair. You could get something on there that was pretty good. But now, most of the cheaper companies that are on there, they're cutting rate on this hair, and so you're getting something that it's just not good, and it may wear for a little while if that's what you're looking for, but after a while, I mean, I don't like wasting money, and if I'm gonna pay $100 and something for some hair, it better do better than what I've been experiencing on those Amazon sites. Okay, so back to this Luvme hair. This hair is gorgeous, y'all. Let me tell you something. I even have some left over, and that's saying something. Now I might try to incorporate it in my head, but I don't know. Um, I put a perm in my hair. I'm trying this new one called a firm, since they were saying so many things about the other companies of permed products. So I'm hoping, I mean, I don't know what people are going to do that use perms, because I don't leave mine in my head very long, and I try not to damage my scalp in any kind of way, because you're not supposed to put it on the scalp, but I don't care what you're using, you're going to get some somewhere. So that being said, back to the hair. This hair curls really easily. Did a flexi rod set, and that was Sunday. That's this curl. What you see right here in the front is from me just braiding the hair up. These two pieces that I had pulled back like this the other day, and I took it down, and I'm like, wow, little squiggly curls is really pretty. I did lighten the hair because it was darker. I have a previous video that I'm going to put on here that shows the actual unboxing, what the hair looked like when I received it, okay? That'll be the first video you see. This is the second one. And this is me with it installed. This hair sheds very little, and that's after cutting the weft. But let me tell you what I do. I always use the glue, and I put it on the weft part, not the hair, the weft part, enough that it seals it so that I'm not experiencing shed and hair fall from my hair, from the weft and stuff, and the hair falling out. That being said, also keep it moisturized. I had lightly oiled the ends when I felt like it needed it. I've been had this in for about a week and a half. Yeah, about a week and a half. And so I really like the way that it performs. It's very thick. It's thick from the top to the bottom, and I like that because then you don't get all this stringiness that you have with some of this other hair. And it's relative, like I said, it's relatively long. It's not just precisely 18 inches. It's longer than 18 inches. It could almost be considered 20 inches long hair. Because I did measure it and to see where it actually fell. So That with that being said, I really like it. It's easy to maintain. Believe me, I I mean I don't work, so I just throw this stuff up and pull it back and wrap it around my head and pin it up with one of those little clips, and I'm asleep. Hair takes care of itself around here. But anyway, uh, I really enjoy this hair, and as you can see, I lightened it. I lightened it up. I'm trying to show you the highlights and stuff in here, but it's kind of hard on this film, on this camera. Um, I have some lighter highlights, but I'm not sure exactly where they are in here and everything. But excuse me. I use the bleach bath method for this hair because it is a darker color, and I didn't want to be forever trying to lighten this hair up to where I wanted it to be anyway, and waste money on product, buying extra product or whatever. And so I've got to press my hair down right now. I've just got it laid down with the got the jam, some type of jam. Let's jam. let's jam. Hair gel, stuff to lay your hair down with. Because I'm going to bed. I'm not fixing to do anything. So I just wanted you to actually see the hair and how pretty it is, and that it does move, and that it does not tangle. Even after wearing it, it doesn't. Now, if you let it rub, I don't care what hair you're wearing, in the back, on the collar or something like that, you'll get a little tangling, but not that matting up and scrunched up kind of thing going on like a rat's nest. So that's not going to happen with this. So far it's been doing really good, like I said. And if you have any other questions about anything else, sorry about that. Everybody wants to try to send a message this time of night. Messing with my lighting on my camera. I'm giving up on it. But anyway, if you have any questions or anything, I feel like I'm all washed out. Like, comment, and subscribe. I think you can see it a little bit better here, the color. Anyway, you can see the lighting strips and everything. There you go. All right. Until next time.